Let's start with a simple question. When we speak English, how do we know when something happens? In the past, in the present, or in the future? This is where tenses come in. Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Swati. In English grammar, tenses tell us the time of an action. They help us understand when something happens, is happening, or will happen. Let's understand this in the easiest way. There are three main tenses in English: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. First, let's talk about the present tense. We use the present tense to talk about things that happen now, things that happen regularly, or things that are always true. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. She works in an office. The sun rises in the east. These sentences talk about current or regular actions. Now let's move to the past tense. We use the past tense to talk about things that already happened. For example, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. I watched a movie yesterday. She worked in an office last year. These actions are finished. They are in the past. Next is the future tense. We use the future tense to talk about things that will happen later. For example, I will eat breakfast at 8 a.m. tomorrow. She will start a new job next month. I will call you later. These actions have not happened yet. So, to make it very simple, present tense talks about now, past tense talks about before, and the future tense talks about later. As you continue learning English, you'll see that each tense has different forms. But understanding these three basics makes everything much easier. If you can identify the time of an action, you can choose the correct tense more confidently. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to English with Swati. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling.